Tangyuan, also known as tangduan or fuyuanxi, originated in the Song dynasty and are an iconic traditional Chinese snack. Tangyuan also symbolize family reunion. The consumption of tangyuan symbolizes family bliss and unity in the new year, expressing people's hopes for a fulfilling and blissful life. The tradition of eating tangyuan during the new year differ across northern and southern China. In the south, tangyuan are consumed at the start of the Spring Festival. In the north, tangyuan are consumed during the end of the Spring Festival. Southerners enjoy tangyuan on the first day of the new year. The consumption of tangyuan swirling in syrup symbolizes wealth. Northerners consume tangyuan on the last day of the Spring Festival, during the first full moon of the Lunar New Year. Yuanxiao, or yuanyue, are terms they use for tangyuan, marking the end of Spring Festival celebrations. Add some water to the glutinous rice flour. Slowly mix evenly and roll into small balls. Knead dough into pieces of similar size. Insert fillings. Place into palm and knead them into balls. Place tangyuan into containers lined with flour. Gently shake with both hands so that a layer of flour evenly covers the tangyuan. Boil a pot of water. Place tangyuan one by one into it. Turn the flame down after the tangyuan float up. The stove can be turned off after the tangyuan expand and turn soft. Transfer to soup bowls and enjoy. Tangyuan fillings can include chocolate, rose, sesame, bean paste, cinnamon, nuts, and date paste. Tangyuan can be boiled, fried, or steamed to create an unforgettably aromatic dish.